this is Michaela, a bookkeeper from QuickBooks Live. When you set up your sales tax, QuickBooks automatically keeps track of what you owe and when so you can avoid late returns and penalties. Let's go over where you can find out how much tax you need to pay to which agencies and when. Then, once you pay your taxes, how to record that payment in QuickBooks. Note that you cannot pay your taxes from QuickBooks Online. You'll have to pay at your tax agency's website or send in a payment by mail. To start, go to the Sales Tax Center. You'll see any taxes you owe for this range. If your taxes are overdue, you might need to change this range to find them. As long as you entered in the correct sales tax settings and your books are accurate, then your tax amounts will be accurate. If you need to adjust your sales tax settings, you can do that here. There is also a video at the end of this to show you how. Select View Return, and you'll see exactly how much you owe in state, county, and local taxes if relevant. If you want a more detailed look at what you owe for this period, select View Tax Liability Report. This is helpful if you want to review your taxable and non-taxable invoices, receipts, and other transactions. This total tells you how much you owe in taxes based on your taxable income for this period. However, if the amount you need to pay is different because of credits, discounts, penalties, or a correction, then you can add an adjustment. Enter in the reason for the adjustment and the date. Then select the account. If you owe more money, then you'll select an expense account. If you owe less, then you'll select an income account. In this example, we are getting a discount for paying early. Enter in the amount of the adjustment, then select Add. You'll see that QuickBooks adds your adjustment and gives you a new total. Now you are ready to pay your taxes. Most states encourage businesses to e-file. But if you can't file online, you can check your tax agency's website for more info on how to mail your return. Go to your tax agency's website to file your return online. Fill out your sales tax return form. Once you are finished paying your taxes, go back to QuickBooks and record the payment. Enter the payment date and the bank account you used to pay your taxes. When you are done, select Record Payment. Now you have paid your sales taxes and recorded them in QuickBooks to keep your books accurate.